Mastering possessive adjectives, claiming ownership in English. Hello learners, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we are going to focus on an interesting and crucial part of English grammar, the possessive adjectives. This topic is key to being able to talk about ownership and relationships between things and people in English. So, get ready to add a useful tool to your language skills. Possessive adjectives are used to indicate who or what owns something. They are used before nouns and help to express relationships between people, things, and ideas. They include my, your, his, her, its, our, and their. For example, in the sentence, "This is my book," the word my is a possessive adjective showing that the book belongs to me. Understanding how to use these adjectives correctly can really enhance your English writing and conversations. One important thing to remember is that possessive adjectives always come before a noun. Here are examples using all of the possessive adjectives. 1. My cat is white. 2. I like your shirt. 3. His car is new. 4. Her name is Lily. 5. The dog is wagging its tail. 6. We love our home. 7. Their food looks delicious. You'll notice that the possessive adjective agrees with the subject, not the object. For instance, in his car is new, his agrees with he, not car. There are a couple of common mistakes that learners make with possessive adjectives. Firstly, don't confuse possessive adjectives with possessive pronouns. They might look similar, but they are used differently. Possessive adjectives are always followed by a noun, while possessive pronouns stand alone. For example, we say, "This is my car," possessive adjective, and "This car is mine," possessive pronoun. Both sentences show possession, but they use different types of words. Secondly, remember that its is a possessive adjective, and its is a contraction of it is or it has. These two are often mixed up. Well, that wraps up our lesson on possessive adjectives. Remember, these are an important tool to describe ownership and relationships in English. They always go before a noun and agree with the subject, not the object. Watch out for the common mistakes and you'll be mastering possessive adjectives in no time. We hope this video has been helpful and we look forward to helping you continue your journey in mastering the English language. See you in our next lesson.